Hey guys, welcome to Illogical Humor. Today we are going to talk about delegates and the four different ways to instantiate a delegate. So, delegate by its definition from MSDN, if we check, it is that a delegate is a type that represents references to methods with a particular parameter list and return type. So, what it means that delegates are type safe pointer to functions. It is written that delegate references to the method. So delegate is a function pointer, and with not just any method, with a particular parameter list and return type. So that means that the return type and the number and type of parameters of a delegate must be must match the return type and the number and order and type of parameters of the method that it is pointing to. So in short, this here we have declared a delegate. So this delegate returns a void and it takes a string as a parameter. So the method that the delegate will point to is also void. It also returns void and it also takes a string as a parameter. So this makes delegate a type safe function pointer. And the one more thing that we need to consider about delegates are that delegate can encapsulate both static and instant method. Encapsulate, yeah, it can encapsulate both static and instant method. So let's just see here. Here we have declared a delegate using the delegate keywords. Other than that, if you can see, the signature is just as a method. And one more thing guys, that the delegate here we are declaring it outside the class under a namespace. We can also declare it inside the class. It's not going to change anything. The only thing that this inside a class, the delegate will be accessible to only within the class. And if we declare it outside, the delegate will be accessible to uh, in the entire namespace. Okay. So here is the method that we have declared. So guys, this here it is a instance method. We can also make it static, that we'll see shortly. The method will have the same signature as the delegate, the return type as well as the type and the number of parameters. Here we have, so since this is an instance method, we'll create an object of the this class program, then we create. And here this is the first method. Here we have seen that there are four ways to instantiate a delegate. So this will be the first method that was introduced in C Sharp 1.0, that using the del keyword. This is like just any other object declaration, that del1 is equal to new del1, and then here we are passing the method, the name of the method. Since it was an instance method, we are using p, we are using the object, and then we are passing, and then we are calling the method del, just like we would call any method. So we are passing this string because it uh, expects and accepts a string parameter. So we'll pass hodor, and let's just see what the result is. Let's debug. So it says hello hodor. Okay, so this works fine. Now suppose guys, if we if this was a static function, so we need to see that it works for static as well. So this is static now, and we do not need this. Okay, I don't know method. Okay, so the static should be here. Okay guys, so no more lines. So since this is a static method, now we do not need this program object to call the method. We can call it directly. Now let's see if anything has changed. Again it is hello hodor. Okay, so this we saw that it can encapsulate both static and instance methods. Let's just remove this keyword. So let's just encapsulate this also. and we'll go to the second method. Let's uncomment this. Okay, now since it is a static method, we cannot use this. So here this method was introduced in C# 2.0, and it is a simpler way to declare an instance of a delegate. So here, instead of using this new keyword like this, instead of using this new and del keyword, a new keyword, we are just simply assigning the name of the method to the del variable, delegate variable, and then we are calling it Khalisi. Let's see if it works. It should work. Hello Khalisi. We passed Khalisi here in this delegate variable. Now let's comment this method 2. Method 2 we have seen. Let's uncomment this method 3. And here this is instantiate a delegate by using an anonymous method. So what are anonymous methods? Anonymous methods are methods which do not have a name. Like here this method had a name, hello method. But here using the delegate keyword we can omit the name of the method. So what is the benefit of this? The benefit of this is that we do not have to create a method. We can just, so instead of two lines, this creating a method and then assigning the method, we just need one line. So using the delegate keyword, this is the parameter list and this is the body of the method. And we are using, and let's see if it works. We are passing Jon Snow here, so it should print hello Jon Snow. You see, hello Jon Snow, it is printable. So this was the third method. Now we'll comment this also. And let's see the fourth method. The fourth method is instantiate the delegate by using a lambda expression. So lambda expression, they even simplify this anonymous method, anonymous methods method. Okay. So in this case, here this string str is the parameter list. Okay, and then we are using this lambda expression, this lambda, and then this is the body of the method, just like this. Here we are not using this delegate keyword, we are using this is the parameter list and this is the body of the method, this whole, and using this lambda this symbol, we are passing this hydra. In this case this is hail hydra. Let's see if it works or not. So hail hydra, it works. So instead of this appears a big, the lambda expression allows us to further simplify this. So we do not, in this parameter we do not even need to specify the parameter type. It easily infers this parameter type from the body, from the whole thing, that delegate, since delegate accepts and expects string type, so it will infer that str is of type string. We do not explicitly need to specify it. And in this case also we do not need to provide these these brackets, curly braces. It can take it. And we can, instead of this two, we just need to provide this one semicolon. And now let's see if it works or not. So guys, it works. Hail hydra. So these are the four methods. As you can see, my favorite is this, using a lambda expression. So guys, please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll please, if it's according to your response, I'll create more such videos. So I'm very thankful that so far with the response that you have given me, and I'll continue to do this in the future. So guys, bye, have a nice day, and happy new year guys. This is my 2017's first video. Thank you guys.